Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Jamun Smoothie step by step. Start by washing 250 g of Jamun, removing pits, and chilling the fruit briefly. Next, measure 200 g plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 cup ice. Blend Jamun with yogurt, honey, and ice on high until smooth. Taste and adjust sweetness with more honey if needed. Serve chilled in a tall glass and enjoy immediately. Gathering ingredients is simple and quick, so you can focus on flavor. Use 250 g of ripe Jamun, 200 g plain yogurt, 2 tablespoons honey, and 1 cup of ice. Optionally add a squeeze of lemon to brighten the flavor or a pinch of salt to enhance sweetness. Keep measurements nearby for a smooth workflow. Freshness matters most, so pick Jamun that gives slightly when pressed for the best smoothie. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: the water bottle you see here keeps drinks cold and is perfect for taking smoothies on the go. It pairs nicely with a morning Jamun blend. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one for yourself. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Blending well is the key to a silky Jamun smoothie that tastes homemade. Pulse Jamun first to break up chunks, then add yogurt, honey, and ice. Blend on high for 30 to 45 seconds until the mixture is smooth and frothy. If the smoothie is too thick, add a splash of water or milk and blend again. Taste and adjust sweetness, then pour into chilled glasses to serve right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.